Hey there, is your Cash App Apple Pay not working when you need it the most? In today's guide, we'll delve into the reasons why Cash App might be failing to work with Apple Pay and take you through step-by-step solutions to get everything back on track. Whether it's a simple connectivity issue or a more intricate setup problem, we've got you covered. Step 1. Verify internet connection. The first step in resolving any digital payment issue is ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Both Cash App and Apple Pay demand a robust connection to process payments efficiently. Navigate to your device settings and ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have ample cellular data. If your internet seems spotty, try toggling the airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Remember, even if your internet works for other apps, it may still impact payment apps. Step 2. Update apps and iOS. Outdated applications or iOS software can cause functionalities to break, including Cash App and Apple Pay. Check the App Store for updates for both applications and promptly install them. Also, head to your iPhone settings to ensure your iOS is the most recent version. Regular updates not only improve functionality, but also come with critical security patches. Step 3. Re-add Cash App to Apple Wallet. If you've confirmed that your apps and iOS are up to date, consider re-adding Cash App to your Apple Wallet. First, open the Apple Wallet app and remove Cash App by selecting it and hitting Remove Card. Then install it anew by opening Cash App, tapping on the Card tab and selecting Add to Apple Wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup and see if the issue persists. Step 4. Verify card details and settings. Inaccurate card details can also halt the Cash App's functionality with Apple Pay. Open the Cash App and verify the card details registered under your account. Correct any discrepancies you find. Also, check that the region settings on your phone match the country you're registered in. Mismatched regions can sometimes cause these apps to malfunction. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all these steps and your Cash App Apple Pay is still not working, reaching out to customer support might be your best bet. Both Cash App and Apple Pay have dedicated support teams ready to assist you. Navigate to the help in your Cash App and Apple Pay settings and provide a detailed description of the issue for tailored support. When your Cash App Apple Pay isn't working, it can be frustrating, but with these troubleshooting steps, you can often quickly identify and resolve the problem, restoring your seamless transaction experience. When your Cash App Apple Pay isn't working, it can be frustrating, but with these troubleshooting steps, you can often quickly identify and resolve the problem, restoring your seamless transaction experience. From verifying your internet connection and updating your apps to re-adding and checking your card details, each tip is designed to get you back on track. If problems persist, don't hesitate to leverage the support teams for specialized help. Happy spending, and may your transactions be smooth and hassle-free.